guys. So, I've had a lot of people ask about prop firms. And as someone who is not yet, up there, I thought, let me ask someone that is profitable, has been trading for years, has experience with quite a few prop firms. And so that you can see it's not just me. It's not just me. You can hear it from someone else directly. And I will be going through these few topics. So stick around to find out the answers to those. Why prop firms? Why do you trade using prop firms?
Okay, why? Probably because of the payouts, personally.
Yeah.
Um, it's also easier to get a bigger payout than it is if you're trading a live account. Even if you have a personal account of 50K, you are not gonna be withdrawing $1,000 every single month, if that makes sense, right? Because with prop firms, obviously that's what you have to do. Just have to rinse it, make them go broke, right?
Yeah.
But you can't do that with a live account. With a live account, you have to like grow it slowly over time. And you can lose it all if you're not careful, Forget to put a stop loss, Trump tweets. Next thing you're down 25K, right? You open minis instead of micros, boom, account gone.
Yeah.
With prop firms, I feel like even if you do those little mistakes, you'll be losing like what, $100,
Yeah.
sometimes 50. So it's not that bad.
Yeah.
That's why I use prop firms.
Okay, so yeah, just to protect your capital, basically. I mean, you used a bunch of different prop firms, right?
Yeah. Funded Next,
Yeah.
Tradify, Top One as well. Top One's decent. I kind of like it now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are my top three. Those are the only three I've ever used.
Okay, and maybe this is a bit of a difficult question, but if you had to choose out of those three, which would be your favorite personally, and why?
I'd go with Funded Next. Funded Next is just too good.
Yeah.
First of all, I get that Tradify did bring the one-time payment, right? But back in the day, Tradify didn't have that. It was like $50 a month, right?
Yeah.
Funded Next was always been one time, and like the payouts same day. With it depends on what account you get. You can also pause it in one day.
Yeah.
AKA gambling, but like that's not the point. And it's funny there. Plus they have CFDs too.
Yeah.
It's just easier.
Yeah. Right. So it just suits you.
Yeah.
Really,
But
really
Tradify is say very close. Tradify.
Yeah.
Tradify should be close.
Yeah, because obviously being South African, we are
Yeah
a little bit limited.
Lucid would be on my top one.
Yeah.
If I could trade Lucid.
So we now know why you do use prop firms. Which one you prefer? Okay. Is there any rules that are like a deal breaker?
Consistency rules. I just
Really?
hate. It's just annoying, right?
Yeah.
I just prefer to pause an account, even if there's like a minimum what is this word I'm looking for? Minimum amount of capital before you can get a payout. That's better. Consistency rules? Oh no.
Really?
Yeah,
That's like your pet peeve.
My kryptonite. I just can't.
That's amazing. Okay, so does Funded Next have?
Some of them. It depends on the account size. I'm not the account size, account type.
Yeah. Account
Even
type.
Tradify, if I'm not wrong. Depends on the account type,
yeah,
right?
It does. It depends on the account type. Like some of them, it does have a bit of a consistency 40%. Rule. Others, there's none.
It's not that I can't trade because it's just annoying,
You have to limit yourself.
Like, what if I get like 300 points, 5 minutes? Then you're gonna limit how much money I make? Oh no.
Yeah. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. How about this question? Because you are quite knowledgeable when it comes to prop firms, right?
Yeah.
If there's anyone out there that wants to start looking at a prop firm, but they are brand new, they don't know which is the go-to. Let's just stick with South Africans, right? Let's just say there's a brand new South African out there. Which prop firm would you suggest for them? I know it's a bit of a tough one here.
I would say go with something cheap but reliable, because like you're more likely gonna fail your first account, right?
Yeah.
So and Funded Next, even though it's like $100 and Tradify is $100, it's still in rands. It's kind of like
Yeah. And I know Top One is a little bit cheaper per month.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's per month, and if you're starting as a new prop firm trader, you're not gonna pass it in 1 month, right?
No.
of
So you would rather do once-off payments?
yeah, as a new yeah, because what if you take like 10 months to pass it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Of but it's also like if you want to trade futures. Because me personally, right?
Yeah.
If a new trader to come up and is like wants to trade prop firms, I'll tell them to do CFDs first, right?
Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah. Why?
Because CFDs are much cheaper. They're like for 5K accounts you can get it for like 20 right, $20, right?
Okay, and then
But
just
at
go
the
from
same
there.
time, it's easier
Mm.
to learn how to trade CFDs than it is futures because futures there's micros, minis.
Yeah.
Oh, you're limited what you can trade. You have to trade indices. Gold
Mm.
is kind of crazy to trade on futures, right?
Yeah.
But with CFDs, there's lot sizes, and lot sizes are you can use like the smallest lot size, and you can basically risk like 10 cents. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So I'd say if you're like experienced, okay, let me not say experience, but like you've passed the CFD, you got an appeal, then go to futures. Because
Okay.
futures there's more money.
Yeah.
Me personally, futures there's more money. It's so much easier to get like a 3K, 5K, 10K payout on futures than it is on CFDs, right?
Okay, so CFDs has its plus side and, well,
Yeah.
up and downs.
And CFDs are harder to pass. I'm not gonna you have to make like 10% of the account size.
Yeah.
Futures is like 6%.
Yeah.
Some are like less, right?
Mm.
And if you pick two step, which is even more annoying because you have to make 8% first, then 6% after that,
Oh my
right?
gosh. Okay.
You see what I mean? So
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
pass phase one, then fill phase two. Then you have to do all like start over all over again from
Everything
phase one. Yeah. Futures, man, buying 10 minis, hold 10 points, boom.
done.
Don't do that. Don't
Don't full port.
exactly
But yeah, yeah, yeah. It's easier to get to
on
that
futures, yeah.
level.
Even though futures, yes, I wouldn't say easier to pass futures, right?
Mm.
Because obviously minis, micros, all of that. Some you can make mistakes.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's an easier target. Let me
Yeah.
say,
Yeah.
not say it's easier to pass, easier
Yeah.
targets. It's easier to make 6% than to make 12%. You
Yeah.
know,
No, 100%. You for beginners, you would say start with like
see,
CFDs.
yeah.
Once you've
Even
gotten
though
like
people say spreads, now I'm talking way too much. Hold on.
no, go for it. Talk
Even though
away.
people complain about spreads,
Mm-hmm.
right? It isn't as bad as people think. Like if you've never traded CFDs, right, and people be like spreads, you're going like, damn, so you tell me my limits are not getting tagged, but it's not really that bad.
Okay.
Like sometimes you don't even notice, right?
Yeah.
Because if I'm trading CFDs, I still analyze on futures market, right? Even though I'm not into on a CFD, because they move, it's the exact same,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
exact same, right? But then the spread part comes from market ordering in
Mm-hmm.
because you know how in futures when you market order it enters exactly where you market order, right?
Yes.
CFDs don't do that. You can maybe like 5 points. Okay, 5 points is crazy. Maybe say like 2 points
Yeah,
where
yeah,
you
yeah.
actually want to enter in, right?
Yeah.
Or 10 points below and so on. So it's not really as long as you don't market order that much on CFDs and use limit orders, you won't notice the spreads at all.
Okay, there we go. See, that's super interesting. I never really considered
Yeah,
that, but you have a point. If it's cheaper to get CFDs, learn
it is.
the
It
lay of the
is.
land. No, but
Okay,
it
it's
is.
cheaper to get the cheaper account sizes. When it
Yes.
comes to like getting like a 50K eval, that's when you just go to futures at that point. Just just go to futures.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But like you said, just starting out, if you want to just risk like
Yeah,
$10 or
20. Because what people say you should do is fund a personal CFD account with $10 to $15, right?
mm-hmm.
That's not gonna do. You're not gonna make money,
Yeah.
right? Even if you're like okay, risk management. How much money are you actually gonna risk on a $10 account? A dollar. Come on, lock in.
What is that
It
going to
actually, it
do?
actually makes me so mad when I see someone trading a $10 account size and it shows he hit TP, but then he made $1.50. Like, what is the point?
Why bother?
Exactly.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so just to get the lay of the land, you would say maybe get like a 10.
10K CFD accounts.
Yeah,
That's okay.
yeah,
15K, even a 5K. If you're really 5K is fine. You,
yeah.
you could get a pair for like $300.
Ah, okay, cool. And then from there you can pop over to
Maybe
futures and then
future
go
jobs.
for it.
Then buy a Bugatti. Yeah.
Yeah, then pink Bugatti, the best.
Exactly.
I mean, how long have you been trading for now?
Like 3 years.
3 years. Okay.
Seriously.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay. 3 years, like
No,
seriously.
but like I didn't care. But
Yeah.
like seriously. Yeah.
Okay. So in total, how many? Like
How
total,
many
even when you
evals?
didn't care.
Probably 20. 25.
What do you mean? You're 21.
Yeah, I went through 25 evals.
Oh, 25 evil. No, I meant like
Oh,
yes. Like full years. You know, included the 3. How many, like, including the years you didn't take it seriously, were you trading for?
mm, 5.
5.
5. 6. 5. 5. 5.
5.
5.
Okay, and then you took the past like 3 years actually
Yeah.
seriously.
I
Okay, so
like
you've gone
them.
through like 25 evals.
Evals.
Yeah.
Maybe more. You know, you buy something, you blow it, and you buy it again. You don't really keep counts.
Yeah.
So who knows? Maybe 100. Who knows?
Okay, so a decent amount. Okay, how about this question? How many funded?
Have I blown?
Yeah.
Just 2, but that's when they had to move me to a live, and I just blew it.
Oh,
I've
okay.
never actually blown a funded like from bad. Like no.
Oh, damn. Okay, brag
Even the
much.
funders I have now, I've
Yeah.
kept them for way too long. I think I need to blow them soon.
Oh, there we go. Well, and then just get a new one and start again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And would you always do like evolve to funded, or would you ever just go straight to funded?
Straight to funded is not smart. It's such a trap for platforms to make money because you're always gonna fail it.
Really? Why do you say that?
Even if you do, okay, let's say, okay, first of all, the rules are outrageous, right?
Yeah.
So even if you do get a payout,
Mm-hmm.
you're not gonna get payout consistently, right?
Yeah.
Just do eval funded. Simple. Even if you have a full port, like if you prove that you're profitable, right?
Mm-hmm.
Full port, it's okay.
Yeah.
Buy 4 accounts, buy 2, sell the other 2.
Yeah.
Two of them is gonna pass, right?
Yeah. Just say screw it. Let's go for it.
And I would also say, when you do get a problem and you get funded, right? Your
Mhm.
first payout should actually just be to scale it more,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Don't use your whole profits on just buying accounts, right? Obviously, treat yourself, but like
Yeah.
scale basically.
Mm-hmm.
Buy another account, copy trade it. Then when you get a payout there, buy another account,
Yeah.
copy trade it, and
Yeah.
so on.
You just keep building up like that.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Copy
Okay.
trading is fun.
Okay, the last question, just so that everyone knows
Yeah.
you're legit. How many payouts have you actually gotten in the 3 years when you've obviously been taking it seriously? Oh, there've
Okay,
been a few.
this year
Yeah.
I've gotten 3.
Oh, and we're only in March.
No. The big one, and I
Okay.
took a break, right?
Yeah.
And then in March,
Mm-hmm.
and the one last week, and I'm probably gonna take another one next week. But total,
Yeah.
last year was actually that's when I started getting into the groove of things. Last year probably 6,
Yeah. And now
but that's
already
what
this year
was
3.
the yeah. But
Wow.
then the first and second year was mostly on demo accounts, right? I
Okay.
didn't trade personal accounts. It was
Yeah.
just first year and second year was just straight up demo until I actually got in comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Then I got my first Evo, right? Blew it obviously.
Yeah.
Then yeah. So probably like 20 total.
Yeah, 20 in total. At
Yeah.
the ripe young age of 21.
Just gamble, kids.
Just
It'll work out. It'll work out eventually.
just put it all in. Thank you for your time. I will then see
No
you
problem.
on the charts in like an hour. And stay tuned because I will hopefully be doing some more of these. Okay, interviewing a bunch of different people using a bunch of different prop firms to find out what they believe makes a good prop firm, what they think is a good deal, what's not, and most importantly, why. Why prop firms? So, let's do this thing.